Here at Mr. Porter, we have noticed a trend among male celebrities as they are embracing the practicality and the statement of designer bags. I'm going to take you through an offering of what we have on Mr. Porter. First up is the black leather Mare tote bag by Saint Laurent, a understated and subtle designer bag where we can see that the branding is purely just seen here in the stitching coming across as the Y. What is a great design feature of this is the fact that it's got a cutout here, is it means that you have a little bit more room for putting your arm through and putting it over your shoulder. Leather bags for me are the new briefcase. I wear a leather tote bag every day to work. They are great because they're spacious, practical. The advantage of having a leather soft one is that it's not too rigid and it's easy and comfortable to wear as well. This is the T-line leather drawstring backpack from Tom Ford. It's a sleek, simple design made from a soft black leather, soft enough that it's going to be comfortable for wearing, but then thick and strong enough that it's not just going to flop over when you're wearing it. Another really nice design bit of this is that the straps here are actually buckles, a bit like on a belt, so you can sort of adjust it to whatever size you like, but it would be designed to sort of hang quite low down across your back like that. For those of you that are after something a little bit more seasonal, perhaps smaller as well, this is Lemaire's new take on their croissant bag. You can still see that the croissant shape is there inside, but on the outside we have this fishnet design, which is actually made in collaboration with a company called Filt, who are a French net making company, been doing it since 1860. I think it's a really beautiful touch to such a classic and simple design. I really like here that there is multiple sort of strings all coming together, and then it sort of comes back and is actually in one solid piece to come over. It has a very nice little tie here, but then you are also able to wear the bag without it as well. Two for the price of one.